Hello everyone. Last week we saw how to buy your domains from Cursor using Fiosat's MCP. And this week we are going to see how to buy anything from Cursor using our shopping MCP. In order to do so, first we need to set up two MCPs. The first one is Fiosat's that we saw already last week. This is the one where our money is and is able to pay for offers. And the new one for this week is Agora MCP. This will provide us a shopping experience in Cursor or any MCP client. The first thing that we'll do is, yesterday everyone was getting pictures of a Studio Ghibli, so let's search for something like that. So let's see what we have here. Spirited Away pencils. Princess Mononoke. I like the Princess Mononoke. So now let's get the postcards. Get me the postcards. What this will do is use the Agora MCP in order to get the details of this purchase and get a payment offer. Once we have the payment offer, it will delegate into Fiosat's MCP so it can pay the offer. So it's asking for my user information. So I will give the user information now. So now when the information is provided, it will handle all the rest of the payment. It will get the payment offers, and after that it will delegate into Fiosat's because Fiosat's knows how to pay for one of these offers. MCP has a small bug here that you can see, but the agent is clever enough to fix it. I hope MCP developers can fix it too. So we can see it got the payment offers and then it called the pay offer. And now we see that the payment status actually is needs review. Why is that? Because we do not completely trust the AI yet at Fiosat. So what we have is policies. So any API key that you use to pay can have different policies. In my case, everything that an AI agent has to buy needs to be approved by me. And as the MCP indicates, you need to go to the website to approve the request. So here you have the website, and if we refresh, we will see that there is a new request and that the status is pending. So now I can go here, approve, and the payment went through. And what is the cool thing about MCPs? Here we are using Cursor, but MCPs can be used from very different clients. For example, OpenAI today announced that they will support also MCP. It's not yet available, but what we can do is we can now go to Claude instead of Cursor and say, hey Claude, can you check my latest orders? And because the MCP is the same, it will be able to retrieve the information. And here you see, Studio Ghibli, quantity, status, paid. And that's it. The cool thing about MCP clients is that now I'm buying it from Cursor, now I'm buying it from Claude. Next week, I will be able to use it also from ChatGPT, and hopefully very soon, we will have someone write an MCP client for mobile phone. So all these interfaces will go to the same MCP, and then you will have a seamless experience across all your devices. That was everything for this week, and stay tuned for more.